For manufacturers and designers looking to enhance customer experience, Vista's new Bluetooth products offers the convenience of controlling your lighting from the palm of your hand. First is our new patented FlexiTape solution with the Bluetooth controller integrated into the product, requiring just a 2-wire installation without the additional wiring needed when using a standard external controller. Second, Vista also offers a standalone watertight Bluetooth controller that integrates with existing lighting products, allowing you to upgrade your product with a unique controller that can be hidden from view. Both of these solutions make use of our Vista Connect app, which can also be customized using your brand. Last, we offer a robust Bluetooth controller with associated switch to allow control with or without Vista Connect app. These Bluetooth solutions can be used to exceed your customers' expectations in any market.